If you live on a budget like I do, just kidding. I'm living large in this economy. Living like a badass in this economy. Just kidding. I'm living on a budget in this bullshit Biden economics. Having said that, no one talks about this. What are we talking about? Let's say you want a good rifle light. Maybe, maybe a Surefire Turbo. But what about a good EDC light? Well, no one ever talks about this. So I'm gonna. Just pull the pin out, put the pin back in, tighten it up, and then, oh, that's strong. Put it in your EDC pocket. Good to go. See that? Just put it in your pocket, and now you have an EDC light. It's really not that, it's not too big, and obviously it's powerful. So, yeah, there you have it. It's cumbersome. Oh, it's too big. I don't give a crap. You're buying one light. It goes from your rifle to your pocket if you need to. You know what I'm saying? Just saying. No one ever talks about moving a light from the rifle to your pocket, to your bag. Just saying. Just saying. Oh, what's that? What are those? Oh, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Ausländer aus, Ausländer aus.